Tegan's gonna play peekaboo. Okay. I see you. Where's Tegan? Where is she? Where is she? There she is! Where'd Tegan go? Where is she? Where'd she go? There she is! Ready? Let's do it again. Where's Tegan? Oh, Tegan's getting tired. This is also her latest thing. She sucks her thumb and pulls on her feet at the same time. And that means she's tired. But she might have one more peekaboo left in her. We'll see. Let's see what she does. Oh, she's getting her blanket. Do you have another peekaboo, Tegan? Tegan. Hey, Pumpkin. Say bye-bye.